Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be continuing making the snake game on terminal. In our last video we left off where we had a bug, right? That we couldn't go if we were going up we couldn't go right, and if we were going down we couldn't go left. And if you're going in the y direction, going right, you couldn't go left. So anyways, you could go back and watch the ending. We're gonna be continuing. You don't have to go watch it. We're just doing this from scratch and coding as we go. Now I do have to let you go that I've been debugging this off camera because I knew it was gonna like take up a lot of time debugging it, so I just went ahead and found the solution. And so the problem is right here in the on line 7. Right, we go to line 7. If direction 0 is not 1. So what I was trying to do, I was trying to avoid it going back. Like if the snake is going up or whatever direction, not pressing the down button and then colliding it to its own body. But I don't think it matters right now, so we're just gonna delete this right here. Alright. I think this part should be good. Alright, then we're gonna go ahead and do that for the rest of the code. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna break anything. Anyways, guys, we're just gonna be deleting this. We're gonna be deleting. I don't know what to say while we delete this. How's everyone doing? How's the holidays treating you? Okay, so we got rid of that now. Now we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back, right, and see what we do. Node. Okay, so now another thing we have to do is we're gonna make our terminals smaller width and height. It's pretty big right now. Let's make this 20 and let's make this 15. Let's make this 50. Let's keep it at 50. All right. Right now it's there you go. It's 5:42 a.m. This is an early morning coding session. I couldn't do it last night. Anyways, we have to add a collision. Yeah, that's where we left off to also in the other video. Add some collision. So anyway, it's working now. See, my snake is going. Yep, there we go. So I'm able to move around. Okay, so yeah, that's the other thing we have to do. We have to add a food collision to pick up my food. Okay, now let's go back to our code and add that. Okay, food collision. Let's place it in the I have to refactor a lot of this code. I'm actually collaborating with some people I met on Reddit, on Discord, and then we made a Discord server and we're actually collaborating on this. And that one person is working on refactoring the code. I should probably do it too. The code is getting a little bit messy. But let's see what we do right now. So in our set interval we have const head. Maybe we could yeah, we have to work on making functions. So keep our little code a little bit tittier right now. And all right, let's see. Let's start off by making an so you know what? First, yeah, let's start off by making a an update game function, right? That's gonna have everything. Yeah, let's start off by making an update function. It's a little big. Sorry guys. It's getting a little bit messy. You know what? I'm gonna refactor my code right here and make it a little bit more cleaner. Because it's gonna be we're gonna be jumping around a lot in our code. But now let's just do it. Let's not think about it way too much. So function update game. I'm looking at my OBS over here, making sure everything runs smoothly. So update game. So this is where we're gonna calculate our. So basically, we're gonna move this code over here, right? The code up to the function one. All right. No. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. I think this code right here, we're gonna move it up there. But okay, we have to think this throughly. I think. All right, so we're only gonna move this code over there, right? We go here. We put it right there. And then we're also the snake.pop. We're gonna delete it from right here. Sorry if I sound a little bit tired. I only slept like about 4 hours, I think. But I'm doing good. Can't complain. Snake.pop. Okay. All right. I'm messing up. I have to do this slow because I'm trying to go too fast. Okay, so first let's add our boundaries. Yes, let's add our boundaries. All right, so we're gonna add the boundaries in the section we are rendering our game, which is this part right here, right there. So right there we're gonna add our what's it called? We're gonna add a top wall. Yeah, I want to add my boundary so I see where my snake is moving around on. Correct? Yes, correct. Okay, so let's start off right here. Wow. Okay, let's see. Now we're gonna do this let row, and let's use the pipe character as our left. Yeah, it's gonna be our left wall. No, we're trying to do the top one. We're trying to do the top the top boundary console.log, and then we're gonna let's use a -1, and let's repeat this, and you guys will see right now. And then gray size width +2. Okay, now let's go back to our terminal and see how that looks. Okay, we got it. We got the top boundary up there. Nice. Okay. All right, let's add our left boundary now. Now, where can we put this? Okay, I think we could put it right here. I think this will create our what's it called, our left. Yeah, I think this is gonna be our left boundary. Is that how you spell boundary? Okay, let's try that right now. Again, I don't want to break anything, so I'm going step by step. There we go. That's our left boundary right there. Perfect. Okay, now I want to add my bottom boundary, and I think that one is gonna go outside. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, so we have our empty space right there. And then this right here. Okay, I think we're gonna put it right here. Right here. Console.log. No, it's not console.log. It's row plus and a right boundary. Let's use the pipe character again. The right boundary. Okay. Yeah, I forgot the A over there. Not that it matters that much. Okay. That looks about right. Let's save this. Let's go over here. See if it worked. Yeah. Perfect. We got a boundary right there. Isn't that nice? Okay. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna do the bottom one. The bottom boundary. And I think this one has to be like outside of this. Oh man, you guys can't even see anything, can you? Fudge, I've been recording and you guys can't even. Man, that sucks. Okay. Well, anyway, so I'm down over here. So just to show you guys, this is my top boundary right here, right? I'm sorry, I didn't know I wasn't recording that section. And then we have this one, the left boundary right there. And then we have this one right here, the right boundary. So this one's our left boundary, our right boundary. All right, and then our other boundary, the bottom one, is gonna go outside right here. And you guys could barely see it right there. It's right at the bottom of our console.log. And then we're gonna use some -1 also and do the same thing as we did earlier. Repeat and grid size dot width +2. Okay. Now let's do this. Alright, let's try it now. Let's go ahead and try this and run this game. Perfect. And now you can't see the snake game. Let me move this around over here. There you go. It's right there. And my snake is coming back. So yeah, I have to create some collision detection with my boundaries, but so far I I think we got the gist of it. And we are 14 minutes in, and we just created boundaries. Let's see if we could add some collision. There we go. Also, I want to change my character representation of snake. So let's do that right now. We're gonna go to right there, draw snake, which is line 10. Right there, we're gonna replace it with the asterisk character, food, and let the food and the snake be the same. I was gonna use an emoji, but I decided not to use an emoji. I remember I think it was acting kind of funky and weird. And let me show you guys again. Right there. Alright, my snake went all the way up. There we go, it's right there. So yeah, we add our boundaries, we change this. Now we have to make some, let's make our snake grow. Right, before we add any collisions. Let's make it grow. Let's make that Python grow, alright. Okay, so let's go back to our code over here. And dude, I have the screen right next to me and I didn't even realize I wasn't capturing my coding session. That sucks. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'm just gonna cut this one short at 17 minutes, just so it doesn't become super long. And we're gonna add collision with our head, and I'll see you in a bit.